Hi, Data Nation. Welcome to another episode of Data Daily. I am your host, Lena Winfree, and I am of Rachel and Winfree Data Analytics Consulting. Very excited about what I am presenting today. And we're talking about why does data matter? And this is going to be a series of sorts. So I'm not going to be here long. The Data Dailies are really not that long. But I want to start you guys off with the first thing that we consider data matters in the Data Matters series, and that is data inspires. And so when we talk about inspiration, as business owners, we know that we are inspired to make sure that our customers are always right and are served well and all of that, good stuff. So let's just start off with something that matters to most business owners and entrepreneurs, and that is CRM. Customer relationship management. So typically within customer service, we need to know what it is our customers need, want, and desire. And for years, this has always been a looking back process instead of a looking forward process. So we look at retrospective information to kind of really get an idea of how data is managed, and from the management of said data, we could know what our customers like or what they surveyed and said they like. Now, fast forward to today, we have a thing called data analytics, which allows for, or data science if you will, that allows for you to predict beforehand, based on CRMs, what your customer may like before they even purchase. So these things are very important to business owners and small business owners alike. And a lot of small business owners may say, well, you know what, that sounds very expensive. That sounds like you have a data scientist on staff and you are crunching the numbers, and from there you're able to actually create data models, etc. Yes and no. So now that there are things out here that are absolutely almost free for you to utilize and really see what your opportunities are, what you could do in your small business. And those things are available to you. So when we say data inspires, we say what we mean by that is data inspires change. So now that you have the opportunity as a small business owner to go out and actually create more predictive things for your company, it can make it easier for you. And if you need more information on how to do that, you can always check us out at Rachel and Winfree, or our website is rachelwinfree.com. And you can actually get more information on what it is you can do as a small business owner. And that won't break the bank. That will actually, sometimes they're absolutely free. And also take a look at our data diversity group, where we actually talk about new upcoming platforms that are free or free trials that allow you to manage your business effectively until all those dollars come rolling in. So yes, on today we talked about data matters, and this is going to be a bit of a series. We're going to talk about why data matters, how important it is to your business, and what it is you can do to make sure you're maximizing all of these things that data brings. Now, I will say this: data in itself is not the only thing. You must also utilize your data, and we're going to talk about in future and upcoming series. We're going to talk about how you can utilize your data, how you can create and cultivate your data. Now, at Rachel and Winfree, we believe what Peter Atkins says, and he says that data is the new soil. Now, you've heard the expression data is the new oil. We believe data is the new soil. And we believe that because soil on its own is nothing. It's dirt. But if you cultivate it, if you till it, if you add seeds, and if you add sunshine, water, all of these different things will create amazing harvest. So we want that to be how your business flourishes and a harvest for you, you know what I mean? So with that, I will see you next time. Stay tuned. Bye.